Good day and thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the in-depth analysis video forecast discussion for a soupy Thursday morning, May 23rd, 2013. Starting out around sunrise this morning with lots of clouds in the forecast region this morning and very light south to southwest winds. We have some fog across the central and eastern Long Island. We have some showers and even a thunderstorm entering into the northern Long Island Sound this morning. Other showers and thunderstorms developing across Pennsylvania as well this morning. Most of the region outside of those two regions is just cloudy. Dew points are in the upper 60s already from the Hudson Valley into the Philadelphia metro area, and as a result the air temperatures are starting out with that too. We have air temperatures in the lower 60s, or mid 60s rather, across Connecticut and interior Hudson Valley. Already temperatures in the New York City metropolitan area getting into around 70 degrees in northeastern New Jersey too. It's a little cooler to start things out on Long Island, but those temperatures will steadily rise through the morning hours as well. Across central and southern New Jersey, temperatures are already approaching the 70-degree mark in many regions. Here's our radar in motion already, showing some of these showers now and even a thunderstorm or so getting into the Long Island Sound. Other showers and thunderstorms developing out here across southwestern Pennsylvania, north of Philadelphia, and even south of Philadelphia. In between, just a few spotty periods of drizzle or light shower across portions of the city area getting over into the Hudson Valley. But other than that, into the city, nothing is occurring yet, but that will change. Already beginning to see the influx of moisture from the southwest to the northeast this morning. We have a thunderstorm near Shirley moving into the Sound this morning, some very heavy rain embedded in that, and another cell moving into the Long Island Sound area towards Block Island with another period of heavy rain. We have more showers and thunderstorms developing here just near Quakerstown and south of Allentown and north of Philadelphia and north of Norristown, Pennsylvania this morning. And these showers and thunderstorms will begin to increase in coverage throughout the day across the entire forecast region. We do have small craft advisories in effect through Friday afternoon. Freshening southerly winds gust up to 25 knots, seas 4 to 6 feet, mainly in southeast swells. Early this morning, there is a chance of showers late this morning and then showers and thunderstorms likely this afternoon. Visibility is 1 to 3 miles. Tonight, southerly winds freshened up to 25 knots, seas 4 to 6 feet. Again, scattered showers and thunderstorms this evening, and then showers with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. On Friday, southwesterly winds at 5 to 10 knots, becoming west at 10 to 15 knots, gust up to 20 knots on Friday afternoon. Showers with a chance of a thunderstorm in the morning, and then showers will be likely tomorrow afternoon. Friday night, the winds back around to the northwest at 15 to 20 knots with strong gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet, visibility is 1 to 3 miles. Northwest winds at 15 to 20 knots, gust up to 20 to 25 knots in the afternoon on Saturday. Still seas 4 to 6 feet, building to 8 feet in the afternoon. So we're going to be dealing with some rough conditions for boaters out there on Saturday, actually through early part of this weekend. Saturday night, northwest winds 20 to 25 knots, diminishing during the very late nighttime hours, seas 5 to 8 feet. There's a chance of showers. Sunday, northwest winds at 15 to 20 knots, diminishing in the afternoon, seas 4 to 6 feet. Monday, west wind, Memorial Day, 10 to 15 knots, becoming southwest in the afternoon, and diminishing to 5 to 10 knots, seas 2 to 3 feet. So for boaters, it's going to be a rough weekend, especially small craft along the Long Island Sound and the New Jersey coastal waters, because it is a holiday weekend. So the small craft advisories remain in effect through Friday afternoon, and those small craft advisories may actually be re-upped through portions of the forecast region on Saturday too, so you want to stay tuned for that. And of course, winds and seas will all be higher near thunderstorms. And for the aviational deck this morning, we're starting things out in Philadelphia with visibilities better than 10 miles. We have scattered clouds, broken clouds at 3,000, broken clouds at 4,400, overcast at 15,000. And for areas in northern New Jersey, visibility is better than 10 miles. Air temperature at Morristown 70, dew point is soupy 66, humidity is at 88%. For Newark this morning, 72 degrees, dew point 67, visibility 10 miles. The winds are southwest at 12 knots. We have scattered clouds at 7,500, broken at 10,000, overcast at 15,000 feet this morning. Now, we're going to have numerous showers and isolated thunderstorms possible across the entire forecast area from later this afternoon right through Friday. And that's going to mean MVFR to IFR conditions in showers, fog, and stratus. Showers again will be likely with MVFR conditions or lower at times during the day on Saturday, and winds for aviational flying will be out of the north, 25 to 30 knots, gusting up to 35 knots, especially in showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. Sunday will mostly be a VFR day for flying with northwest winds at 20 to 25 knots and choppy, potential for higher gust up to 40 knots and a northwest flow on Sunday too. Monday, VFR conditions, northwest winds beginning to die down, but still quite gusty at 15 with gust up to 25 knots. Agricultural weather advisory for New Jersey issued from the Rutgers University of New Brunswick. Rainfall amounts 1 to 2/10 of an inch, but with locally higher amounts today. 1/10 of an inch tonight and Friday. Obviously, those will be higher in any thunderstorms that train across the region. Winds for spraying, southwest around 10 miles per hour today, south at 10 miles per hour tonight. Northwest at 10 to 15 on Friday with higher gust. Humidities 60 to 70% today, 100% tonight, 70 to 80% Friday. Dew points in the mid-60s through tonight, then dropping into the mid-50s on Friday. Fair at best today for drying, rather poor, rather later today through Friday. We have little dew, but wetting and showers and thunderstorms tonight through Friday night. Percentage of sunshine, about 10% today, and nil on Friday. And there is an 80% probability of precipitation during the period beginning at 8 o'clock this morning and ending at 8 p.m. this evening, which could adversely affect the performance of pesticides that require a rain-free period after application. Surface analysis this morning shows high pressure off the mid-Atlantic coast states. All these greens in here, this means dew points uncomfortably in the 60s, and we have a southwesterly flow. Our surface low is now getting into the Great Lakes and pushing into the St. Lawrence River Valley during the next 24 to 36 hours, draping a cold front across the Ohio Valley and Tennessee and Mississippi Valley, and this will be slowly moving into the metropolitan area during tonight, with the front passing off the coast during tomorrow morning and then kind of stalling out. I want to go over a couple of things for the upcoming weekend. As the cold front makes its way across the region, we're looking at the 500 millibar vertical velocity chart off the GFS forecast models here. We can find that the low will kind of close off a branch here across New Jersey on Friday night and early Saturday morning, and as it does so, it's going to shift the energy off the coast. The upper low and surface low will be moving out over the coastal waters on Saturday morning. This means that we'll be on the back side of this with northwesterly flow and slowly drying conditions on Saturday morning. So until that time, we'll probably find showers and thunderstorms increasing in coverage today, tonight, and tomorrow before the showers and thunderstorms begin to change back over to showers as the front passes slowly and the upper low and surface low that develops along the frontal boundary lifts to the north and east by early Saturday morning rather. And then by Sunday, late Saturday night and Sunday, we see the closed low all the way off the New England coastal waters. And what we can see here is that we'll be in a northwesterly flow on the back side of this cutoff low. Why is this important to the forecast? Because the relative humidity values with this low will be drawing out in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. This is the GFS plot for Saturday morning. We can see most of the moisture getting out of the region into southern New England, but notice all the blacks and reds here. This is in the mid-levels of the atmosphere at about 10,000 feet. So that means that the atmosphere will be drying out slowly from northwest to southeast across the region during the day on Saturday and right through Sunday. Notice all the blacks and reds here. That is relative humidity values in the upper levels of the atmosphere that will be less than 10%. So lots of northwesterly wind, a drying component to the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere means improving conditions for Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, Sunday, and Monday. In the lowest layers of the atmosphere, this would be for Saturday night at 8 p.m. We find the slate grays here indicating relative humidity values at about 5,000 feet, the lower layers of the atmosphere where we live, about 40 to 50%. If we move ahead, we can find that the skies will begin to break on Saturday night and Sunday morning, and the relative humidity values from all the heavy rainfall will still be with us. So we're going to find quite a bit of cumulus clouds, low-level cloudiness across the region on Friday night and Saturday, especially on Saturday. And as we get into Monday too, we'll probably find a lot more clearing going on Sunday afternoon and Sunday night into early Monday. Monday, Memorial Day, looks absolutely delightful. NamWRF composite forecast precipitation going ahead through the weekend. We'll start things off slowly. Here's our cold front, showers and thunderstorms increasing in the flow. Here's our low forming along the front, and conditions improving by Saturday afternoon right through Sunday and Monday, with the precipitation exiting off the southern New England coast, northwesterly winds coming in. And the idea here is that showers and thunderstorms increasing in coverage. Any training of cells of showers and thunderstorms across the region from tonight through Friday night into early Saturday morning could lead to flooding, possibly flash flood potential, especially in any of the heavier showers and thunderstorms. And we could have anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Locally, even higher amounts are possible in any training of thunderstorms or any very heavy downpours. With these heavy downpours, there will be frequent lightning and strong downburst winds across the region, which would cause possible damage to trees or other things as well. So you do want to be mindful of that, and we'll just be monitoring the radars during the course of the next 24 to 36 hours for damage reports, and also for watch warnings boxes for any of these particular cells that do pop up into the severe category. So that's going to do it for today. We'll be back with more information tomorrow morning on GardenStateWeather.com, and of course live information updated throughout the day on our Facebook page as well. For Garden State Weather, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Make it a safe day, and also be mindful of those showers and thunderstorms. Do have your umbrella ready with you because you're going to need it.